kind of tone of voice did the Savior have? Was it a deep voice? Regular?
At times you couldn't hardly tell. Sometimes the way that he would talk, his voice would go and come. You heard the messenger speak?
Yes, sir.
You heard him when that he seemed like that he be talking and he seemed as though that he's trying to fix his words plain for you to understand what he's saying?
Yes, sir.
That was Allah talking, not him. When he be studying, trying to fix that word to come out of his mouth so you will understand it, and then when he bring it out, it was kind of foreign like, wasn't it? That was Allah talking through him. If you had seen Allah and heard him talk, you tell it every time that he was talking through him.